turn on the light, and the light has been switched on. Now we will use our phone, and you can see it's currently 49%, and we will use this to change it to 76%. You can see 76%, and you can see 76% there. Similarly, we can do this for the fan. We can make this 81%. It will become 81%, and this is also increased to 81%. We can similarly decrease the light intensity to 0 to switch off the light, as you can see 0. And now we can also use the voice command to switch off the fan. Switch off the fan, turn the fan off. Sorry, so it says, if it doesn't understand, it says a command, it says turn off the fan.
Affirmative. Turning off the fan.
And the fan has been switched off, so it does give voice input. Thank you. So as you can see, currently the light brightness is set to 100% and the fan is set to 0%, but this is in the manual mode. So now we'll shift our attention to the auto mode. So I simply press this button to go into auto mode, and as you can see now it's auto mode and the values are changing, and this is based on the resting context and the sensor values connected to the Edison. So now my good friend there, he will start walking, and we should see the context changing into walking. And then he's gonna sit down. So now we should be seeing, as soon as the Edison refreshes, and this should it should fetch the walking from the cloud as it has done right now. And once he stops walking, as he did by sitting down, it should go back to resting. And you could have seen easily that the values for walking is different to resting. So right now it's around 39% and for 60%. So as soon as it will go back to resting, these values will reflect for resting. And you see the values have decreased dramatically for resting. This is because you do not need so much light when you're resting, but you needed that light when you're walking. This is automatic illumination. So, and now we move on attention to our sensors. So this is our buzzer, and this is our PIR motion sensor. This is our light sensor. So if I simply close the light, you can see this is using the light sensor values. So the brightness of the room is increasing. So as soon as I leave it, it is detecting the light and decreasing the light intensity, which you can also see from the 0%. And you can also see the sensor values on the thing. So right now I've covered it, so it is lower, and as soon as I leave it, it goes back up again. And finally, the last sensor is the temperature sensor. So right now it's really cold, 21 degrees, and you can see clearly there. Play some music.
Affirmative. Playing some music.
And the Edison is playing music. We are actually trying to reduce the volume. And you see the Edison has played the music. We can simply do that again. Play some music.
Affirmative. Playing some music.
And it is being controlled. Okay.
Caution fall detected. Calling the authorities now.
And the Skype call has been done, as well as you just heard this, as well as you could have seen the fall detection there. So it is clearly working, and thanks to our friend there.